We'll now solve another MAT question, 1C of 2010. Now this video is the 96 video. What is 96? 96 is the last three smooth number before 100. Because if you look at its prime factorization, it only has prime factors less than or equal to 3, hence it's a three smooth number. Well, if you write 96 this way, you can just flip it around. That's why it's sometimes called a strobogrammatic number. Well, interesting fact about 96, 69 also says probably a strobogrammaticity, and 100 minus 96 is 4, which just so happens to be 2 squared. Well, enough facts. Now let's go to this question. The question asks find the number of solutions from 0 to 2 pi. You know how to factorize quadratics? Well, we're now going to factorize it for you so that you are saved the burden of factorization. See, if you expand the brackets using the FOIL method or whatever method you use, probably one method I have been taught is the multiplication box method. So basically you have A plus B, C plus D, then you have A, B, C, D, and it's like your little multiplication table right there. Fortunately, you can also use this method because it's probably the most intuitive method. Now let us solve this equation. If you want to skip this part of the video, go ahead. But what I want to tell you is that with any trigonometric function, there are two solutions here, and there are also two solutions here. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4, which is the number that we met earlier. Well, what a coincidence that was a 96 video, and 100 minus 96 is 4, and there are 4 solutions to this equation. So if you want to skip this part of the video, go ahead, because now we're going to solve it. We had to make use of something called the R formulas so that we can actually solve it in a form that we can appreciate. This is the first bracket. So you see where we got the root 2 from? We use Pythagoras theorems. This is 1 and this is 1, and then we literally take the diagonal of that dimension rectangle and you tangent inverse this number over this number. It's tangent inverse 1. Now you try the other one. Root 5 sine x plus tangent inverse 2 equals to 0. So we can easily simplify this to sine x plus pi over 4. Since tangent inverse 1 is pi over 4 is 0. So x equals to, can you guess? You can't? That's fine. It's 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Same here, we take away the root 5, and then we have sine x plus tangent inverse 2 equals to 0, and x equals to pi minus tangent inverse 2. And since we don't take 0, which is the principal solution of sine x is 0, since the negative on that will be out of the range, then we take 2 pi minus tangent inverse 2. This time, this number is also in range. So there you have it, solutions to this equation to prove that there are 4 solutions to the equation. Okay? I hope you like this little trigonometric discussion. Well, let me tell you about a joke trigonometry notation. So we let sine x equals to s because I'm an anti-cosinist, which actually means I don't like cosines, but I can accept them. I'm not biased against anti-sinist people, which are people who hate science. Anyway, I just made up those two terms. You know, some people are against some mathematical functions and really don't want to use them. Well, I am one of these people. And tangent x equals to s over the square root of 1 minus s squared. What a fun joke notation this is. Anyway, I'm still laughing at this. Anyway, goodbye and see you in the 97th MAT video.